How are you, grade 2? I welcome you to the class of Social Studies, Lesson 2, People Settle. We will review pages 124 to 129. Our objectives for today: describe the factors that influence where people live. Identify how the geography of a place affects the way people live. Our vocabulary words for today: urban, rural, and suburb. We will talk about these words in the later slides. Did you know that all people need food, water, and shelter? In some places, these things are hard to get. It is hard to grow food on rocky mountains. Deserts do not get enough rain for drinking water. Long ago, people could not choose to live in places like these. In some places, people can find the natural resources they need. The flat, rich lands of the Great Plains are good for growing food. Rivers provide fish and water. Why do you think people want to live by a river? Very good. Rivers have water to drink and fish to eat. Once people decide to live in an area, they start to build the things they need. They build roads and bridges to make it easier to get from place to place. They make homes for shelter, and communities begin to grow. Now, remember I told you that we'll look at the vocabulary a little later. So, the first vocabulary word is urban. So, what is urban? A city is an urban area. Urban areas have many businesses, homes, and people. Suburb. A suburb is a smaller community near a city. It has quieter neighborhoods, less traffic, and bigger yards. Rural. Rural areas are usually in the country, far away from a city. Students, which is your favorite area? I would really like to know which one would you want to settle down in. Let's look at a deeper meaning of rural. A community where houses are far apart, there are a smaller number of people, and you may see farms and forests. Now, what is this, children? Very good. It's an urban area, a large community with many people and large buildings. Urban areas have many businesses, homes, and people. A suburb, a medium-sized community near a large city. Houses are close together. You may see parks and malls. It has quieter neighborhoods, less traffic, and bigger yards. A suburb is smaller and quieter. It has fewer people and less traffic than in a city. Why do some people live in suburbs? They want to live in a place that is less crowded and less busy than an urban. So let's summarize, children. People have settled in places with good natural resources. These places can be rural, urban, or suburban areas. The geography of a place affects how easy it is to settle. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you, and I wish you a fantastic day ahead.